all about vinegar, nature's multitasker. Hi everyone, welcome back to Everyday I Wonder. Today we're exploring something that's been in our kitchens for centuries, vinegar. Did you know that vinegar has a rich history stretching back over 5,000 years? The name comes from the French phrase vin aigre, meaning sour wine. Ancient Egyptians used vinegar as a cleaning agent, and the Romans consumed it as a beverage and preservative. In fact, Roman soldiers used to drink a mix of vinegar and water called posca to stay hydrated and healthy during long marches. Talk about a liquid that stands the test of time. Over the centuries, vinegar has continued to evolve. Today, it's used not just in homes and kitchens, but also in industrial applications like food preservation and even bio-cleaning products. Its ability to balance flavor, clean surfaces, and support health makes it truly one of the most remarkable liquids. First things first, what is vinegar? Vinegar is a liquid that contains water, acetic acid, and sometimes a mix of flavor compounds depending on how it's made. That sour taste and sharp smell? That's acetic acid, usually about 4 to 8% in most table vinegars. Now, how is vinegar made? It all starts with a fascinating two-step fermentation process. Yeast turns sugars from fruits, grains, or alcohol into alcohol. Then, special bacteria called acetobacter convert the alcohol into acetic acid in the presence of oxygen. For example, apples can become apple cider and then apple cider vinegar. Pretty amazing, right? And this process works with a variety of raw materials. Grapes can turn into wine vinegar, and rice becomes rice vinegar. Each type has its own unique journey. Speaking of types, there are so many kinds of vinegar, each with unique flavors and uses. Let's look at a few. White vinegar, made from distilled alcohol, great for cleaning and pickling. Apple cider. Vinegar, from apples, perfect for health remedies and salads. Balsamic vinegar, aged for a rich, sweet flavor. Think gourmet dishes. Rice vinegar, mild and slightly sweet, used in Asian cooking. Malt vinegar, from barley malt, perfect with fish and chips. There are even specialty vinegars like coconut, date, and fruit vinegars, each bringing something unique to the table. Coconut vinegar, for instance, has a tangy and slightly sweet flavor that's perfect for Southeast Asian dishes. But vinegar isn't just about flavors, it's also incredibly versatile. Let's dive into some of its most common uses. Cooking. From salad dressings to marinades and pickles, vinegar is a kitchen essential. It's also used in baking to activate leavening agents like baking soda. This is why vinegar is a secret ingredient in many fluffy pancake recipes. Cleaning. White vinegar cuts through grease, removes stains, and even deodorizes. It's a natural, eco-friendly alternative to chemical cleaners. For example, mixing vinegar with baking soda can unclog drains or freshen up your sink. Health. Apple cider vinegar is often used for digestion, blood sugar control, and skincare. Some people dilute it in water and drink it as a health tonic, but remember, it's important to use it in moderation and always dilute it to protect your teeth and stomach. Gardening. Vinegar is a natural weed killer and can help adjust soil pH. A quick spray of vinegar can keep your garden pathways clear of weeds without harsh chemicals. So there you have it. Vinegar is much more than a pantry staple. It's a cleaning agent, a health booster, and a culinary superstar, all thanks to its unique chemistry. Whether you're making the perfect vinaigrette or tackling tough stains, vinegar has got you covered. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more everyday science. Thanks for watching Everyday I Wonder. See you next time.